In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use story points in Jira. If you want to estimate work more clearly in Jira, story points are a great way to do it. They help teams measure the relative effort, complexity, or size of a task without tying that estimate directly to hours. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to enable story points in your Jira project and then where to enter them in the backlog. To get started, open your Jira project and look near the project name. You'll see a three-dot menu next to it. Go ahead and click that menu to open the project options. From that menu, select Space Settings. This will take you into the area where you can control project level features and configuration. If you're following along in your own workspace, this is where many important options are managed. Once you're in Settings, click on Features. This section contains toggles and tools that affect how your project behaves, including estimation settings. Now, make sure estimation is enabled. This is an important step, because if estimation is turned off, Jira won't give you the option to use story points in the way you expect. If it's already enabled, you're ready to move on. If not, turn it on before continuing. After that, click on Story Points. This tells Jira that story points are the estimation method you want to use for this project. It's a simple setting, but it makes a big difference in how work is displayed and planned in your backlog. Once you've selected story points, go back to your project. You don't need to make any extra changes here beyond confirming that the right estimation method is selected. Next, open the backlog view. This is where you'll usually manage upcoming work, organize issues, and plan sprints. After enabling story points, the backlog is also where you'll start seeing the estimate field available on your issues. Now, look for the story point estimate box on an issue in the backlog. Click into that field and enter a value. For example, your team might use values like 1, 2, 3, or depending on how large or complex the work is. The exact values your team uses may vary, but the key is to stay consistent so your estimates remain useful over time. And that's it. You've enabled story points in Jira and added an estimate directly from the backlog. If you're working with a team, make sure everyone uses the same estimation approach so planning stays accurate and easy to understand.